Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Shebang. I'm Ish, currently at grade 9. I just want to talk about this issue that happened in my school few weeks ago. Let's call the girl R and the boy D. Grade 9 and 8 sila. R and D were rumored to be dating before this issue came out. Medyo matunog na ang name ni R since she is kind of famous from her previous school. A month has passed after our intramurals. May lumabas na rumor that there was a girl and a boy having sex in our school canteen, CR. Later on, we found out it was R&D. While kami naglalaro ng sports, sila iba pala ang nilalaro. Grabe. After that, may kumalat na video sa buong campus. Sex video, like literal. Grade 7 to 12 students ang nakakita. Nahulaan mo ba kung sino ang nasa video? Yup, si R and si D. Hindi mukhang na-videohan lang sila dahil sila mismo ang nag-set up ng camera since they were both looking at the camera while doing it. Sa sobrang lala ng issue, the authorities were involved para malaman kung sino ang nagkalat ng video at kung anong gagawin sa kanila. Later on, they found out si R din pala ang nagpakalat ng video at proud pa siya. After the campus video incident, nag-transfer ng school si D, while si R naman hinomeschool ng parents niya. Ganito rin pala ang naging issue ni R sa previous school niya. Remember when I said famous si R? Well, she is famous but not in a good way. Kaya wala masyadong nagulat dun sa kumalat na video nung intrams namin. Kasi ang issue niya pala from her previous school was nagpag-gangbang daw siya. 18 boys and 1 girl. And she was in grade 8.